Slightly early start on a work day, and I'm going to see if my preheater works. Let's have a look at the car. It's definitely frosty. It's not a very hard frost. Take it off with your finger, but I know the preheater is around this area. On. Well, it's made a noise. Let's come back in 10 minutes or so and see what it's done. Right, let's see how she looks. It's been about 10 minutes, I think. Still on? Yeah. And if you can hear that. Well, it's done something. It's obviously just a hot air heater, so it doesn't turn the rear on. Yeah, it does pre-warm the engine as well, so it'd be quite interesting to see if the engine warms up a bit quicker. Actually, when you jump in, it's quite nice. It's actually quite warm in here. It's a useful feature. In about 10 minutes, that's taken the frost off the bottom half of the screen, so good enough to get going. Right, there you go. That's the preheater on the L322 4.4 TDV8 working.